Hello, my beautiful people. I don't come again, no go kill us. So I don't still bring another gist come tell una. Make una see wetin dey happen for life. Men of nowadays, make una be careful. They not say who no want do, make e no do. Na small small, na im dey take dey do. And na small small dey take dey kill rat when e dey inside pot. Make dem no go break the pot oh. This one pass me, e shortalize me, no be small thing. Na wow, this kaya matter problem wey dem dey talk. If una lis ten to wetin this lady dey talk, una go see am say this thing dey make person head burst well well, and e dey make person head big. A whole small girl dey use kaya matter. She say she go use the kaya matter for men. Men go forget everything wey they get and carry money give them, carry house give them, carry everything give them, and they go leave the man for house, go still dey flirt, dey waka. My country people, how una see this matter? Because this matter wey this lady dey confess, they call am testimony time. This one pass testimony time oh. This one no be small thing. It means any man when he jam this girl, wey e be say he carry this girl reach as finish, the man don confuse. The man, everything wey the man come dey do, the man no go know anything again. This one no be small thing. This kaya matter wey dem dey talk, na only God know where e for come oh. End time don dey come. Make una be careful. Well, my country people, is your one and only girl Rose White. If you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not hesitate to click the subscribe button, put it in all, like and share. Whenever I upload any video, you will be the first person to be notified. To my old subscriber, thank you for being there for me, and to my returning subscriber, may God bless you all. I go leave this video, make una watch. I go see una for my next video.
What was happening? She never knew that it was a kayamata that was using on him. They go and they put on teeth, they put on waist, they put on legs. Then with rings, they put on our toes.
What for?
To seduce men, seduction, man of God.
Et elle continue à expliquer que lorsqu'ils sont arrivés chez l'oncle de sa copine, qui les a donné des charmes d'amour qu'ils appellent le kayamata, et ce sont des bagues, des trucs qu'ils attachent aux reins pour séduire les hommes.
So the same friend also introduced me into drugs. I smoke everything. I take things like kayu, Thai, banga, take cigarette. The queen uncle gave us the charm. He gave me the charm, the one on my leg, because I used to put on chains. Then I used to have blings on my teeth. Then with eyelashes, these long eyelashes. When I put on those beads and those eyelashes, everything, as you can see there, that I'm not me. I'm different. I'm different in those pictures. I look very big, very mature. You can see me, I even think I'm a girl of 25, 24. No, I've not yet finished even my Form 5.
How old are you?
This September 15 made me 18.
18 years?
Yes, man of God. So as for the kayamatas, the charms that they do give us to attract married men, like I used to seduce married men, they'll rent me out. Like I have 2 houses now like this. I take the married men, I keep them in the house, I go outside and slay, allow them in the house. When I come back, I discover that they have given me all money until they don't have anything. I send them away because they don't have no use again.
Alors, elle explique que cette charme d'amour qu'ils appellent le kayamata, que le féticheur, le marabout les a donné, c'est pour séduire les hommes, et elle va séduire les hommes mariés et qui vont la louer des maisons ou en présent, comme elle est en train de parler, elle a 2 maisons que lorsqu'elle séduit ces hommes mariés, elle va les garder à la maison jusqu'à ce que ces hommes puissent la donner tout ce qu'ils ont comme de l'argent. Et lorsqu'ils vont donner tout ce qu'ils ont comme l'argent, il va les mettre de côté.
Married men?
Yes, man of God.
You do what to them?
I seduce them. We attract them with our eyelashes because they like shiny, small girls that have standing breasts. So they follow us. Anything we ask them, they give us. Like last year, there was one guy that I hope my mom know about the man. That man, He was paying all my bills until he even had to buy me phone, pay my school fees. My mom never understand what was happening. She never knew that it was a kayamata that was using on him.
Alors, elle explique ceci, que cette chambre qu'elle utilisait pour charmer les hommes mariés, que parce que les hommes mariés aiment bien des jeunes filles qui brillent, alors lorsqu'elle va charmer tous ces hommes, il va les mettre en captivité afin de prendre toutes les finances.
My colleagues, so that girl, she deals only with pastors. They know very well that we know that they are fake, but when we come, they meet with us, we have our things that we collect from them.
So you have something you collect from them.
Yes, man of God.
Like what?
Like powder that the man gave us, we used to rub it on our breasts. People that do not drink alcohol, but if you drink alcohol, we put it inside your drink, you can sleep. But if you don't like drinking alcohol, I rub it on my nipple. As far as you can suck it, you go unconscious. If you are not strong, you can get mad. Or some people die.
Alors, elle explique comment est-ce qu'ils sont en train d'opérer, qu'à chaque fois qu'ils sont en train d'opérer, ils vont mettre quelque chose sur les seins, ou pour ceux-là qui ne consomment pas d'alcool, ils vont mettre ça sur les seins, et si toi tu consommes de l'alcool, ils vont mettre ça dans ta boisson, et lorsque vous allez consommer ou bien lorsque vous allez sucer les seins, vous allez vous évanouir, et pour certaines personnes qui ne sont pas assez forts vont devenir fous, et pour certains ils vont mourir.
Many people will repent today.
Friends who are only like 15 years, 16 years, 18 years, there's no 20 amongst us. So when we go out like these sugar daddies, these married men, they like young girls that have standing breasts, that are shining, but they don't know that the things that we are doing are very bigger than our age. So we used to rub the thing on our breasts. Or
What? You rub what?
white powder, or we put one drug like we buy the drug, or we take it from the baba that used to give us.
From the witch doctor?
Yes, man of God. So when we rub it, either you get mad or you go unconscious. But if you are not too strong, you are weak. Some people die through the process.
Some people die?
Yes, man of God. Because they think they want to have sex. So we no want to have sex. We just want to like do what we want to do and live. So that is why we want to drug.
You want to do what you want to do. What do you want to do?
Either we want to collect money or we want to collect some parts that the man will ask us to bring for him to prepare the kayamata.
Part of the body.
Yes, man.
Thank you guys for watching. I will be coming back with more video, more gist, more updates. Bye bye guys. Love you guys.